Daddy's gonna be teaching us how to fish with bamboo.
Let's go fishing.
Oh, jeez. You know how sharp it is?
Oh, very sharp, like sharp. Hey.
Hello.
Hello. Wait, why is the water bigger than the sand? Oh my goodness, it touched the tree.
We already got our bamboo stick. Now we're going to teach my girls how to pull on the string. Yeah. And plus the fishing hook. This is how you do it.
Whoa.
Just going to use bamboos around house.
We're not going to use an advanced fishing pole,
We're not going to...
but we're going to use nature.
Yes. Okay, that's how you do it. Now we're going to put on the fishing hook.
Whoa! What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's very simple.
Can you guys make it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very simple.
But we need our
Let's
dog.
get we're using the small fishing hook. This one. And see if we can get some fish today.
We need worms.
Do you think we're going to get some fish today?
Yeah. And we also
You
need
sure?
worms. And we also need worms.
Worms? Some baits? Okay.
So we can catch fishy. I'm going first.
Do you guys like to eat fish?
Yes.
No,
You don't like eating fish?
because Daddy said I don't want to eat fish.
But you love eating fish. You eat all of mommy's fish.
But Daddy said I cannot eat fish because I have bones.
Yeah, we had to help Soraya with consuming fish. You gonna do your dance, your fish dance? What's your fish dance? Yay! Shannon, do you want to do this?
Yeah.
Well, just watch what Daddy's doing, so you can do it the next time, right?
Yeah. Could I go first? Okay, this glasses.
Put it away.
Do I put it here?
When it's a nice day to
I
go
have
fishing.
hat.
Nice day to go fishing. Oh, beautiful sun.
Daddy here.
So we got, is your fishing pole ready?
Yes.
China? Yay! And that took how many minutes? About a minute to cut it, clean it, and then another minute to put the string on. It took 2 to 3 minutes to make your
Bamboo.
bamboo fishing pole. We're doing it M.A.N.A spirit style, right?
M.A.N.A family.
Okay, it's ready. Now
Ready.
we're going to look for some bait.
Now we're gonna look for some bait.
Yay!
What? I know what to look for. Perhaps over there. Perhaps over there.
She knows where to look for, so. Hey, let's go, Sherry.
And a long time ago, I
Ooh.
thought this.
Look at people's trash. Did you find some?
No.
Okay, go look for some.
Just hold
Put your
this.
bottle of water down.
No.
I know where traps are. There's somewhere over here.
Whoa. Oh, Grandma. There might be traps on the sand. Whoa. This is cool.
Oh, she found some. What you got?
I didn't find bait, but I found a huge shell.
Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like my mama's necklace. Okay, you can add that to your shell collection, right?
Yay!
Let me see the bait. Wow!
Ew!
Show it. Yes! And recycle trash, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please do not litter near the beach or the marine. We are advocates of the marine environment. Please do not litter near the beach, at the beach, anywhere in the Pacific, which is anywhere in the island, which is close to the Pacific Ocean.
This is really.
What kind of fish do you want?
I want to go get an angler fish.
Oh, we'll probably have to go on the boat next time. We're just doing reef fishing today.
Angular fish doesn't live here.
Maybe.
Mine was the hardest one. It even broke the rock.
Hardest what? What are you talking about?
Mine had the hardest shell.
The bait, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I touch the?
And there's the rock that we had to crush the baits on. Shells on. You didn't have to spend any money on this? No money, huh? Did we have to spend money on getting your fishing equipment?
Nope. Homemade,
There you
baby.
go.
So for the fishing equipment and the fishing bait, we spent $0. But for the string, we just borrowed it from Daddy.
Give me 5. So the cost of your fishing activity today was how much?
0.
So smart. All from what?
Nature.
Yay!
Fish.
What?
I'm gonna go do fish.
Okay, that's the real test right there. The challenge is, are you gonna get some fish?
I bet I'm gonna get the biggest one.
Well, I bet I'm gonna get the gigantic one.
Bigger than China's?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna get infinity big shark.
Oh, I hope it doesn't break your pole,
I
your
bet.
fishing pole. Comment down below to see who do you think
Me.
is gonna get the biggest fish. Is it Raya or China?
Me.
Vote below. Comment down below and vote who's gonna be the winner with
Me.
the biggest fish.
I'm gonna get
And
the
then also comment down below who's gonna, whether it's China or Raya, that's gonna get the most fish.
I'm gonna get the most and biggest fish.
How about you, Raya?
I'm gonna get infinity big.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, I'm on a spirit break. Oh, wake up to the sunshine, the day is free. Grab your gear and bait, come along with me. We're headed to the shoreline, waves in play. Let's go fishing the M.A.N.A spirit way. Cast your line and let your worries fade. The ocean's got a song for us today. Feel the island breeze as we sway. Let's go fishing the M.A.N.A spirit way. Coconuts and laughter in the salty air, telling tales of mermaids, did you see them there? Reeling the good vibes where the dolphins play. Let's go fishing the M.A.N.A spirit way. Cast your line and let your worries fade. The ocean's got a song for us today. Feel the island breeze dancing feet, tropical rhythms, our hearts beat. The sun sets low, we greet the bay. Let's go fishing the M.A.N.A spirit way. Cast your line and let your worries fade. The ocean's got a song for us today. Feel the island breeze as we sway. Let's go fishing
Me,
M.A.N.A spirit
Raya's
way.
fishing rod to get the fish. I bet I am gonna get the biggest fish. Not Raya's fishing rod. I am. Who are you rooting for, guys?
Wow.
Better root for me.
Cast your line and let your worries fade. The ocean's got a song for us today. Feel the island breeze as we sway. Let's go fishing the M.A.N.A spirit way.
Fishing lesson is officially over. Hey, I want to join. And remember, stay awesome or amazing. I'm gonna join Mommy and Raya. Bye.
Hi, Raya.
So good news, there's no monkeys, but I heard that there's spirits in the forest. So